Okay, so this will show you how to send out the conference announcements every week. We send out an announcement to a contact list that's in Microsoft Office, Outlook, and we create a PDF flyer basically that can be posted. In fact, the administrative folks in the division will post it. You'll see it up after you send it out. So it's just another way of reminding people about what conferences we're hosting and where they'll be. They're always on Thursday. And what you see here is the MedHub conference schedule. So this is also available to anyone because this is public, and you'll see that I include a link to this on the flyer that we send out. But people are used to having the flyer to post up instead of going to a web calendar, so we do both to get everyone there. So basically, this was on the share drive. It's labeled Thursday Conference Reminder Notice. And, I change out the little picture every month. This is for April. And you can see it's very basic. What I do is I basically grab the information from the internet calendar and put it on this flyer. And to do that, I first select the table that's already there, and I select cut, go over to our internet calendar. I can select the next 2 weeks of calendar data. I just right click and copy it. I go back over to my Word, I right click, and I paste. Okay. So that needs some changing. So I'll get rid of Grand Rounds since this is only going to have our GI conferences on it. And I'll get rid of... Okay. Then I'll want to resize the script, the font. Go to about, maybe one more there, so it's nice and big. And then I'm going to go ahead and put titles in front of these, which then I'll go ahead and kind of clean up the sizing on the columns. So then I just kind of look at it and see, okay, does it look reasonable? It's not high art, but you can kind of adjust it, make it as readable as possible. That looks good enough. And then we can go ahead and I convert it to a PDF. And the reason to do that would be to make sure that everyone can open it, because some of those folks are at the hospital or even at different institutions, and the only thing you can be really certain that people can open is an Adobe Acrobat file. Since that's free software, it's installed on every computer and it will open looking the same way on every computer. This again is the link to the MedHub. I also get rid of these little things. I just noticed that. Little asterisks. Anyway, this is the link to the MedHub calendar. So that's included in every one, so people could go there and find the same information, but for throughout the academic year. So to switch to Acrobat, I can do that a couple of different ways. If I go to the Acrobat tab in Word, this is the easiest. I just create PDF. Say yes. And then you'll see this usually pops up. This is last week's PDF file. So I'm just going to go ahead and save over that. Okay.